Hey everyone, welcome to EcoTrackHub, your personal carbon footprint tracker. I'm Josie and I'm excited to take you on a journey through my project for this year's ICAS 2023. So let's dive right into it. EcoTrackHub is a web application designed to help individuals monitor and reduce their carbon footprint. It addresses the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, specifically SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. This website features a user-friendly interface, allowing users to sign up, calculate their carbon footprint, and track it on a daily basis. First off, we have a simple and secure sign-up process, where users can create accounts to personalize their carbon footprint tracking experience. Once you're in, the heart of EcoTrackHub is the carbon footprint calculator. Users can input data about their public transportation usage, electrical consumption, and waste recycle. The daily footprint tracker provides a convenient way to monitor your progress in real time. It's all about making those small, sustainable choices every day. And here's the magic. In-depth analysis. EcoTrackHub breaks down your daily carbon footprint, giving you insights into your environmental impact. Now, you might be wondering what inspired me to make EcoTrackHub. Well, I believe that everyone can contribute to a healthier planet, and technology can be a powerful ally in this mission. By addressing the Sustainable Development Goals, I wanted to create a tool that empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their daily habits. So what's the purpose of EcoTrackHub, you might ask? It's about raising awareness and inspiring positive change. By tracking your carbon footprint, you not only gain personal insights but also contribute to the broader goals of a healthier and sustainable planet.